Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to get the best VDR pricing deal. They are commonly used in mergers and acquisitions, fundraising and due diligence. VDRs can be expensive, but there are a number of things you can do to get the best pricing deal. In this video we are going to share 10 tips on how to get the best VDR pricing deal. First of all, do your research. Before you start shopping for a VDR, it is important to do your research and understand the different pricing models and features that are available. This will help you to compare different VDRs and negotiate the best price. Number 2, get multiple quotas. Don't just go with the first VDR vendor that you talk to. Get quotas from multiple vendors so that you can compare price and features. This will give you a more leverage and when negotiating the best price. 3. Ask about discounts. Many VDR vendors offer discounts for long-term contracts, prepaid plans, non-profit organizations. Be sure to ask about discounts to see if you can save money. Number 4, consider using a VDR aggregator. VDR aggregators are companies that offer a variety of VDR solutions from different vendors. They can help you compare price and features from different vendors so that you can find the best solution for your needs. Number 5, negotiate the price. Once you have chosen a VDR vendor, be sure to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to ask for a discount. Many VDR vendors are willing to negotiate on price, especially if you are signing a long-term contract or if you are a non-profit organizations. Number 6, consider bundling your VDR with other services. Many VDR vendors offer bundles services such as document management, e-signature and translation services. Bundling these services together can save your money in long run. Number 7, use a VDR that offers a pay-as-you-go price model. Pay-as-you-go pricing model can be a good option for your businesses that need to use a VDR for short period of time that have a variable number of users. Number 8, consider using a cloud-based VDR. Cloud-based VDRs are often more affordable than on-premises VDR. This is because cloud-based VDR are hosted by the provider, so you don't have to pay for hardware or software maintenance. Number 9, use a free and open source VDR. There are a number of free and open source VDR solutions available. If you are on a tight budget, consider using a free and open source VDR. Number 10, be flexible with your needs. If you're flexible with your needs, you may be able to get a better pricing deal. For example, if you're willing to use a VDR with a fewer features, or if you are willing to sign a long-term contract, you may be able to get a discount. Last of all, conclusion. By following these 10 tips, you can get the best VDR pricing deals. VDR can be expensive, but there are a number of things you can do to save money. By doing your research, getting multiple quotas and negotiating the price, you can find a VDR that meets your needs and budget. So that's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.